my name is Sophia Relosa. Thank you for watching my vlog today. And today I'm talking about relationships. Okay, there's a common misconception of people that there's such a thing as a love corner. There's no love corner in Feng Shui. Uh, Wherein when you activate it, it's going to help you in your relationship last. No, there's no such thing as that. But we have a peach blossom. The peach blossom sector is allowing you to actually become polite or pleasant rather, and charismatic, and it's allowing you to be able to relate to your relationship in a very pleasant manner and your ability to actually make people like you. It's basically likability, but it doesn't actually that when you activate that sector, it's going to make your relationship last or it's going to lessen the opportunities for breakup. Okay, hindi job ng Feng Shui yun. It's our job to actually understand our partner. It's our job to understand the love language of our partner and to actually make sure that we give according to what they need instead of the things that we can give. Am I making sense? When you are actually in a relationship, you have to understand that you have to fill in the things that make your partner happy. Give according to what they need, not not according to what you can only give. Okay, so ganun ang relationship to make it work. And you also have to understand that you cannot expect your partner to fill in the void within you, or the emptiness or the things that's missing. You can't expect that from your partner. As a matter of fact, it's unfair for your partner to actually expect them to fill in that void. The only time that you actually fill in that void is by filling that void through you, your own actions, and finding yourself in knowing yourself and learning to love yourself. You cannot expect your husband or your partner or your spouse or whoever is significant someone to fill that in for you. You have to do it. And when you fill that in, it's easier now to give the love or the care or the true love that you can give according to what they need. And when you feel that as a partner, your partner will actually do the same because you were able to feel that love or the care that they need. In exchange, that they're going to do what they're going to, because they love you, they'll also do the same thing to you according to what you need naman. Okay, that's how relationship work. It's not feng shui. It's not just activating a sector. It's allowing you to understand how your partner, getting to know your partner, and getting to know yourself. Okay, I hope I was able to give you a very brief description of relationships. So there's no such thing as love sector. Okay, in order to make a relationship work, it has to come through you, and being generous, or sorry, allowing yourself to give love according to what they need, not what you can give. Okay, thank you so much. I hope to see you again in my next vlog. Bye.